Okay, I'm going to go over just a few pointers and give you some information on the project we're going to start later this week. It is Monday, and on Tuesday you will be doing your vocabulary. Then, of course, we don't have school on Wednesday. Thursday and Friday we will do some geography, and we will begin this project. Now, I have hard copies available, or that I'm getting made for you. If you want to come pick those up, I'll leave them at the front if you are virtual. If you're face-to-face, I will have hard copies in class for you. And I think we will primarily be doing this by hand, but you will have an opportunity to do some of this online. Okay, so I want to give you a couple of options, and since this is one of our first major projects, we are going to, aside from the notebook, it's still in PowerPoint, we're going to kind of use our tools however we can use them. So this will be Scrapbook project. It'll be shared with you in OneDrive. You'll have your own individual version of this, and I just want to go over some of your options. Now, our new unit is Europe, and Europe is broken down into sections, Western and Eastern Europe, and you'll learn more about that as we go into it. And I will tell you, you can probably go into the next unit in the textbook, and I'll show you all of the different regions. This also breaks it down by Western and Eastern Europe. This is Discovery Ed. There is about an hour or so long video that you can watch in segments. It shows you each of these is a country. This is actually 2 countries. And how many minutes the video is. If you go into your Schoology, off to the left, you'll see Discovery Education. And the easiest thing would be to search. And you should have this already assigned by me. But if it isn't assigned, or if you're having trouble finding it, you can just do a search. It's called World Geography Europe. And like I said, it's an hour long, and it just goes through each. You can do it by segments, but it goes through each of these areas, okay? So you're going to choose one of these countries, and then you're going to go back to your PowerPoint, and you're going to fill this in. Ultimately, it's going to be an overall goal project grade of a summative that will be due probably right before the Thanksgiving break, or maybe a little bit after that. I'd like for us to be finished before the break. And I may give extra credit for those who can get it done before the break, which means you only have about a week. Otherwise, it will be due sometime that week that you return. But I'm going to give you class time if you're face-to-face and kind of help you out with the pace. I think the total is about 10 to 11 pages, and I think you could do a couple pages a day online, and it should not take you a very long time. If you're choosing to do it by hand, it may take you a little bit longer, but the expectation is you can color and draw by hand and then take photos of it and upload it and get it back to me through Schoology. So, journey to, let's say, France. And we talked about this before, but I just want to go over some functions with with PowerPoint. So if I wanted to, I could insert a text box here, and then I can put France. Now don't forget, you can also go in and change this point size and change the color. Let's change it to something, whatever. And then we'll make it a little bit bigger. And you can also make it so that it's centered, or you can move it over. So there, so we're doing France. Now, the second thing is, it says on the map with a country. One of the things you can do, because this is web-based, is you can do an image, search the web, and I already did France, so I'm kind of cheating, but a map. So these are, oopsies, so these are maps. Let's get it back. Image, map. And you can use any of these. So I'm just going to drag this over. Now my computer drag and drops. I'm not sure if yours does or not, but obviously this is too big. So I'm going to hit Command. I think that's the right click. Or maybe it's Control. And I'm going to do Format Options. I'm going to make sure this is the aspect ratio is locked, and then I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. Click, 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 click. I think you just hold it down. The clicking is a little bit more dramatic, but I think you just click it, and then you have your map. Okay, so this is how you can insert pictures. You can insert text here. And if you need help, just email me or raise your hand or let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you. But you can do this totally online this time, or you can do it totally offline. If you do it offline, it may take you a little bit longer, and that's fine. We will have probably the first couple of pages will be due at the beginning of next week, and then I'll put an assignment into Schoology, and you'll just upload those pictures in for me. And then, let's see, by the end, though, it'll be a big test grade to do all of it. The last page is kind of like a what I've learned summary, and then page 12 is, and page 13 is a rubric, kind of explaining to you how it's being graded. Okay, I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.